Welcome to our YouTube channel, Logic on YouTube. Question of the day is how to count the occurrence of each character in a given string. And I will take this question as a part of YouTube series JavaScript interview questions and answer. One question I have already discussed, and you can find that in the YouTube series JavaScript interview questions and answer. So let's start discussing the question of the day, how to count the occurrence of each character in a given string. And this is very important question which is frequently asked in the interview. The probability to ask this question in the interview is 60%. So let's start uh, writing a script to resolve this question. So I will first write the script, then run the script, and then discuss the logic implemented to solve these questions. So let's start. Let's say the given string is hello. Hello. Since the given string is hello, so the answer is expected is each char and the count of the occurrence of that char in the given string hello. Like if the char is h, then the count will be 1 for char h. So I'm writing like this h, answer will be 1. For e, answer will be 1. For l, count will be 2. For o, count will be 1. So this is the expected answer if the given string is hello. I will write a script to resolve the question, and then if the script runs successfully, then I will discuss each and every logic implemented in the script. So let's start resolving this question. I have stored the given string hello inside str. Now I will loop through the given string for each and every character. Before that, I will have an object, say occurrence. This is a blank object for now. There is a len variable that will contain the length of the given string, and there is a ch variable that will contain a single character at a time. So let's start loop through the given string. For that, I will use a simple for loop. Let's say I equals 0, I less than len, and I plus plus. This will loop through the given string. Now I will check for the occurrence of each character available inside the occurrences object, which is currently empty, blank. If stri equals, or you can say not equals undefined, means, sorry, not stri ch, sorry, not even ch. For that, first I will store the value for character in ch variable. Then I will check for the occurrence of character available in ch inside the occurrences object, which is initially blank object. So if the character on position stri, which is now available in ch variable, variable is not available in the object occurrence, then I will store that key in occurrence object and store the initial value or count 1. This will store the uh, count of care in occurrence object, and if that is already available inside occurrence object, then I will simply increase the count of that character by using plus plus operator. This will increase count by value 1. Now I will loop through the keys available inside occurrence object using for in loop. So say that there is a variable key, or I can also use ch. So use ch instead of creating a new variable key. So if ch available inside occurrences, this will simply loop through the object properties. I will explain the looping through the object properties separately. I will also explain the associative format, which is used for accessing the key available inside an object. I will discuss these two things: associative array format to access object properties and looping through the object properties after resolving this question. So let us start with looping through the object properties. Also print each character on the screen and the count of character which is currently available inside the occurrence object. So I will simply print ch for the key or character available inside occurrence object, and then a separator like this, and the count of that character available inside the occurrences object. Yes, this is associative array format, which will help us in accessing the value of a key stored in an object. After printing this, I will also change the line by using BR HTML tag. So save this script and refresh the page. Yeah, done. And there is something wrong, which is currently showing NaN. Not a problem. So I will check and debug this, why this is happening. I have a len variable occurrences update str ch is fine. Let I equals 0, I less than len I plus plus. Yeah, it's correct. I ch, if ch is available inside occurrences, if not available, this will go to the else part and increase the counting of that part. You can simply change this if it is equals to undefined, Yeah, this was the problem. Occurrence of that character is equals to undefined means the ch character is not available inside the occurrence object. Then I will store that character or key in the occurrence object and store the value of that key with 1. This is the correct one. Save the script, refresh the screen. Yeah, that's right. So it's correct. Expected answer. Yeah, it's right. So I will change the given string and see the answer that it is working or not. So change the string to world, save the script and refresh the screen. Yeah, so each and every character is unique, so the counting for each and every character is 1. Change the string to Hindustan, save the script, refresh the screen. Yeah, it's working. Counting for n, it's saying 2. Yeah, it's correct. This is and yeah, correct. So it's correct. In resolving this question, I have used two things. One is the associative array format to access the key or character available inside occurrences object. So it's very simple. I can use associative array format to access a key available inside an object. I will discuss that separately in this application. And another thing is to loop through the character or key available inside occurrences object. So for in loop can be used to loop through the object property. Let's start with associative array format. Is the line document dot write here for changing two lines. Say there is an object obj with three keys: a, and the value of a is 24; b, the value of 24 is 15; and c, the value of c is 20. So I can use associative array format to access the key A, B, or C. For example, document.write obj square bracket. Inside the square bracket, I can use a key of an object inside a single or double quote. This should print value of A 24. Save the script, refresh the screen. Yeah, it's right, 24. Similarly, we can access the key C. For accessing key C from obj object, I will use obj square bracket, square bracket. This is the associative array format, and this should print 20. Before displaying 20, I will change the line document.write here. For changing the line, save the script, and this should show 20 on the screen. Yeah, it's correct. What happened if we try to access a key which is not available inside the object? For example, document.write obj and key. I want to access a key D from obj, and the fact is D key is not available inside the obj object. So what will happen? Before that, I will change the line so that we can see the answer properly. Save the script and refresh the screen. So it is saying undefined. Now I want to store this D key which is not defined. So I will simply check this by obj D, and if this is undefined, then I can store that key in the obj object, and its value I am saying 30. Now that key is available inside the obj object. We can simply print that by writing json.string if y obj. This will print the whole object and including the D key on the screen. Save the script. Before that, I want to change the line We use BR tag to change the line, save the script and refresh the page. Yes, right now D key is available inside the object. So I hope you understand the associative array format, which will help in accessing object properties. Associative array format to access object properties. Now I will let you know how to loop through the object properties. Loop through object properties, which I have already implemented in resolving the given question, and the question was how to count the occurrence of each character in the given string. Let's see how to use for in loop for accessing object properties or loop through object properties. So I have already defined an object obj which contains four keys A, B, C, and D, which is as a letter. For ch in obj. So this will pass each character one by one in the ch variable. So I will print the character ch and the value of that character using a separator. Character value of that character I can access by using obj ch. Before looping through the object properties, I will change the line so the output will look readable. Save the script, run the script. Why this is not working? What is the problem? Obj is here. Document.write here it's correct. For ch in obj it's correct. Document.write. Yeah, I'm missing the right keyword. Sorry. Write ch separator and the value of ch key which is available inside obj object. Save the script and refresh the page. Yeah, A24, B15, C20, and D30. Change the line to see the readable output. Save the script, refresh the page. Yeah, it's correct. So I am done with the solution to how to count the occurrence of each character in the given string. Hope you learned this from the video, and now you are definitely able to solve these questions. All the best. Thank you very much for watching this video.